Today on Teggy Boys, we might be fixing the truck, maybe.
We'll look at it if nothing else.
Yeah, we'll let you see it. Hopefully it's not fucked.
Oh.
Hopefully. You can really get the depth of the length there.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta know how to get those angles when you're trying to get the length.
Yeah.
Do you know about that, Ricky?
Bump. That's Clinton. Right there, that's Clinton. That's the one that comes laser after everything's done.
At least this one goes last. Because if that one goes first, this one's going to be like throwing a Winnie down a hallway. So that is the one that I sheared. It was supposed to be the length of that one. That's crazy. So, Mickey just stuck that in the hole. Attempted to stick it in the hole.
Yeah, you gotta line it up halfway.
Teggy time. Oh, I need to put the coilovers on it.
You ain't moved this, have you?
Nope.
And in the hole. And there is a whole song about me.
For the whole song?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's actually two. If you count the remastered version.
You're so fine, you blow my mind. Hey me. Hey me. I better not get copyrighted for that. Just singing it. So while Mickey's down there fishing, I just wanted to show y'all, he dropped the oil pan down a little. This is the one, the old shaft that we was able to pull out. You see the twist there? That's where that met this one. He's down there just fishing. Oh shit. now Mickey's putting it back together.
Yep.
We have the right part.
Yep. Had the right part. It's in the hole.
It's in the hole.
Yep.
If you're
Didn't have to spit on it too much.
If you're doing a big block, it is a IS-60 and not a IS-68.
Yeah. Oh yeah, put it back in gear for me.
Put it back in gear?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Now we'll do all this to see if it shears it back off. And if it does, well then, we know just undo the motor mounts and pick it up a little bit. Because I ain't going to put all these bolts back in this pan.
Not until you know.
Yep. It just needs a few.
And if it shears it off again, it's time for a motor swap.
Well, it's time for an old pump.
It's time for a motor swap.
I know. He's gonna go buy a Windsor this evening while I'm at work.
Emma,
Yep.
if you find the right price on one, right deal, I will.
How much you want to pay for?
I was going to pay $800 for a whole truck that had one in it. But the dude won't message me back.
What year?
It's a bull nose, like a 85,
Oh.
84, 85. It's like an extended cab long bed, 351, automatic.
Well, that don't matter.
Yeah, transmission don't matter, but he said it would crank. If he'd message me back, I'd buy that one.
I'm sure it makes sense one down there.
What, a 351?
Yeah.
Honestly, I'd be okay in that $800 range.
Well, I'm sure there's one on Facebook cheap.
Yeah, I seen one on there. Now, the one I seen, they were asking $300 for, but it needed to be rebuilt.
Well, they all need to be rebuilt.
Well,
Oh well.
351 T5.
I already got a clutch at the house.
Do you?
Yeah.
See, we're in business. Truck. It'll actually go down the road then.
Yeah.
Different rear end gear with a posi track.
There's a few of them on damn Amazon cheap right now.
What?
The rear end shit.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Get you a 410 gear and put back there. Or a 430 if you just want to go fast in a line or a curve. Took that front tire going around through there.
I was actually thinking about a 410. So
410s we ain't got cut nothing.
Now one of my Foxes had a 373. Is that right?
Yep.
What would that be like running in this?
It'd be quick. 391's the best gear for one of these trucks.
Why is that?
Because it picks up good and you can still run more than 80 miles an hour without the damn thing squealing.
What's in your truck?
It's a 350. It did have that 391 in it.
Wow.
Yeah, that's in the other truck at the house.
So how would a 373 do? I was between that and that 410.
It'd pick up good.
Because in my head, I was thinking about those two gears because I was hoping this thing would run similar to a Mustang. How it felt in drivability.
Well, the 410 would make it do like the Mustang.
Yeah.
Because of weight.
Yeah. Okay. I might go that route. Because I know my red LX had a 373 in it, and my GT car had it was a factory. Just a factory gear. What is a factory gear?
Well, you could get a 373 or whatever in a Mustang.
Oh, from the factory?
Yeah.
Oh. My gray.
Yeah, my New Edge car, it had a 373 gear in it.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yeah, some of them you can get 410s. Every once in a while you'll get a 325. That's a fucking highway gear.
Yeah, I mean, I still want to be able to drive this on the highway, but I mean, you know, far and in between, I'd rather it feel better on the normal street. So 410, I don't think I've ever had a 410. How is it on the highway?
They holler.
Hmm?
They holler.
Like how bad? If I'm running a 5-speed, how bad would it be?
$3,000.
It ain't terrible.
No. The yellow car, it's got 373s in it.
Your Torino?
Yep.
Okay.
It's doing like $3,000. Doing 70.
I just want to be able to ride. I want to be able to ride comfortable on the highway and not have it like tacked up stupid.
I mean, $3,000 in one of these is kind of tacked up stupid.
Well, I'm talking about a 351.
Yeah.
351. What's red line on a 351? Like
65.
I was in my head. I was thinking 62, 63, but yeah.
Well, I mean, everything's about 65.
What's red line on these?
4,500 is pushing it. 5 is extra. That's just asking for a problem.
That's probably how we ended up in this predicament.
Yeah, maybe. It could have been worse. I mean, every once in a while, you might get one of these that just sit on the side of the road.
Mm-hmm.
Hand me that wrench.
The
9/16.
9/16. Where you see a 9/16 wrench?
14. Slam.
Oh yeah. Here you go.
Glenn says he wants to look pretty. Maybe I get filthy and still go to work. I don't give a shit.
I mean,
This is the real work. Fuck the other job.
what's the other job?
Advance Auto Parts. Proud sponsorship of none of our shit.
We should get on a sponsor, take you boys.
We got us O'Reilly's. That's our biggest sponsor.
O'Reilly's.
Really, it's just Clinton's dad. Give it a little bit of gas. Ain't even spit up a damn little drop.
It does sound a lot better now that we put oil in it, though.
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna sound better.
No, it's just not getting oil.
Yeah, because the oil pump's bad. It probably sheared that one off.
Think so? That
Yeah.
quick?
Yeah.
Damn.
I mean, it's probably locked up. The old pump is.
Ooh.
It's 50-50. I mean, it was worth the $10 to figure it out.
Yeah, that's true. I can't say it wasn't.
I did good though on the timing deal. That's surprising.
Yeah, it sounded almost damn accurate. 100%.
I mean, it won't off a 2.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Not even marking it.
Mickey, the master of all Fords.
Playing off damn ear. That's what we're doing. But yeah.
So, is it 351 time?
It's either that or oil pump.
Oil pump.
Man, you can still ride this. You put an oil pump in it.
Yeah, I know.
It all depends on what you want to do.
How much?
Spend the $60 for an oil pump, or spend the
1,000 plus.
Yeah, maybe 500.
So, how hard is it to do the oil pump?
Well, like I told you, you pull the motor mounts loose and take out them 4 bolts out the pan that already knocked loose.
Drop it from the bottom.
Yeah. I mean, you ain't got to pull the distributor out of it now.
When you want to work on that?
Depends on what you want to do. You tell me.
I guess we'll do the oil pump for now. I mean, I know this motor's good.
Yeah. It's a boat anchor, but it's good.
Yeah. I would honestly like to run this motor until I get a 351 and get it put together to the point where, hey, it's like a ready to drop in full-blown swap.
I mean, all you need is a motor and
I mean, I get that. I could do that.
clutch.
But I actually want to, like, put cams and do a little head work done to it.
So buy aluminum heads is what you're saying?
Yeah.
But it's a set on Facebook for 800.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
He said 700 could probably get them. So 700, there you go. This was Speedmaster aluminum heads.
I want to run an Anderson cam.
Yeah. Illuminati. Illuminati. That way they don't chew themselves up.
What's wrong with Anderson?
Illuminatis don't get chewed up.
What do you mean by that?
They don't chew themselves up.
It doesn't explain anything.
Yeah, it does. They don't wipe out cam lobes when you break them in.
I have to show you a video of a Fox body that's running an Anderson.
They sound good.
Oh, they sound immaculate.
That's what that little Craig dude had.
Well, the Ford is still down.
Hey, I could drive it. Don't even put this valve cover on and just ride it around.
Just drive it like that.
Yeah, the miraculous effects.
I mean, if we take that one off, at every stoplight I can just get out and add a little oil to the top side. It'll be okay.
Well, as long as a little bit of juice gets down there, it's good.
It'll leave the rattle. I mean, it won't rattle no more as long as I do that.
Yeah.
Well, poor Ford.
Yeah, it'll be okay. It just needs an old pump.